Hi guys, good evening. Vishal here from SSB Properties. Today we are on 12th March 2021. This is for those people who on 22nd or the last week of March 2020 who had thought of doing property, who wanted to buy property. They used to say that because of corona, because of the pandemic, real estate is going to fall in Bangalore. The prices are going to fall in Bangalore. My dear friends, this is for those guys. My dear friend, who all had got this in their mind, you have to refresh it today. This quarter in real estate is given a wonderful sale for any developer today. Be it any developer today, be it Prestige, be it Mantri, be it Sobha, be it Shapurji Palonji, be it Vaishnavi, let it be even developers like Assets, developers like Total Environment, developers like House of Hiranandani, Ajmera Group. My dear friends, they are happily going to their bank with money. Huge sales have happened in this quarter. It is a wonderful sale for every each developers this time, and the price is more than what it was last year. My dear friends, who were looking to buy and did not buy, it's a learning for all of you. That time when it was a time where there was confusions in the market and developers were throwing discounts. The people who bought it are happy. I'm sure all of them will be very happy, and people who have not bought it have to really be sad. Today, all developers have increased the prices. From 15th March onwards, again the prices are going to go up, and it's going to be a different story in April. My dear friends, each developer has clocked wonderful sales. You will come to know about this in April, first week or second week. All the builders wonderfully what they could not sell first two quarters, the third and fourth quarter of 2021 has come out tremendously. I have seen some projects who have overdone, who have overshot up with their UIs, who are overshot up with their expectations. Going to any developer's office, any site, you will find that all of them are busy. Gone are the days when you used to get calls from developers, from the sales team to follow up on you. Nobody is going to follow you now. People are doing wonderful sales, wonderful business. Anybody who's looking to buy, kindly go ahead, buy whichever property suits you well. This is the right time. Prices are at a trajectory phase now. The sales are happening. Constructions are all in full swing. Let's hope for good. Anybody who stopped their investment plans, kindly renew it. Kindly go in with a new hope and new zeal. Anyone looking to invest, kindly get in touch with me, Vishal V. Parwani from SSB Properties. Happy buying and wish you good luck.